Hey there, in today's video, I want to talk about something that might sound surprising at first. You can lower blood sugar by eating carbs. In fact, when carbs are healthy and unprocessed, they are just not okay for lowering your blood sugar. They are a must for controlling blood sugar in a way that truly heals your body. Our goal on this channel is to tackle diabetes in a way that truly heals the body. So we completely reject any method that controls blood sugar by harming you in other ways. And to help you on this journey, we use the Do It to Heal shopping guide. It's our main roadmap to healing. Just comment Do It to Heal and I'll send you the link. Now, let's dive in. So here's the truth. Unprocessed carbs, such as whole grains and starchy vegetables, are not just an option for controlling blood sugar in a way that truly heals the body. They are the foundation to healing. And I know this goes against the advice we hear every day. Cut carbs if you want to lower your blood sugar. And for sure, you can cut carbs and lower your blood sugar. But doing things that way only makes you sick in the long term. But around here, we do things differently. We want real healing. So, to control blood sugar in a way that truly heals the body, you need unprocessed carbs, like every day. Now, let's clear up two quick things. Number one, we are talking about unprocessed carbs. That means oats, whole grains, unpeeled potatoes. And no, we are not talking about white bread or cookies and cake and things like that. Secondly, this isn't instant. So you won't fix your blood sugar from eating just one bowl of oats. It requires a diet rich in unprocessed foods. So you have to commit to a diet high in whole plant foods in order for you to see results. So we are talking about days or even weeks before you can start seeing results. Now let's talk about how unprocessed carbs help your blood sugar. High blood sugar is merely a symptom. The real problem is what's happening on the inside. So we are talking about poor gut health, chronic systemic inflammation, and insulin resistance. So unprocessed carbs work by fixing those problems. And when healing happens at that deeper level, your blood sugar starts to improve naturally. Let's walk through what that healing looks like. So it all starts in the gut. Unprocessed foods give your gut two important things: fiber and antioxidants. So fiber provides food and a generally supportive setting for the healthy gut microbes. Antioxidants also help to reduce gut inflammation and provide the right pH setting for the gut microbes, the healthy ones, to thrive and function at their best. So when your gut has enough of these good microbes, they grow strong and keep the harmful microbes under control. So two things matter for your gut health. Number one, you need a big population of these healthy gut microbes. And secondly, you need lots of different kinds of those healthy gut microbes. So you need that population to be highly diversified. So to support a big population of healthy gut microbes, you need to eat plenty of whole plant food so that you can get the fiber required to support a big population of the healthy gut microbes. So to get diversity of healthy gut microbes, you need to eat different types of whole plant foods that provide different flavors of fiber. And why is that the case? Because these healthy gut microbes, they all each type of gut microbe rather, likes to feed on a certain type of fiber. So one type of healthy gut microbes might like fiber from oats. Another type might like fiber from pineapple. So by diversifying your fiber intake, you also get to diversify the population of your healthy gut microbes. So when your fiber intake is not diverse, the healthy gut microbes that can't find the fiber they like tend to die off eventually. So which means your gut microbiome suffers on diversity. So yes, kale and broccoli have fiber to fuel those healthy gut microbes. So yes, kale and broccoli have fiber to feed those healthy gut microbes, but they are not a replacement for unpeeled potatoes, whole grains, and other starchy carbs. You need a very wide variety of unprocessed carbs in order to keep your gut microbiome diverse, strong, and vibrant. So once your gut is filled with lots of good microbes, something amazing happens. The bad microbes, they shrink in number. Inflammation goes down. Your body cells start to heal. And those healthy gut microbes, they also produce these very powerful anti-inflammatory compounds known as short-chain fatty acids. So these compounds are produced when the healthy gut microbes interact with fiber in the gut. So what follows is that your cells start to heal because of reduced inflammation. As a result, your body cells become highly sensitive to insulin. That means your blood sugar and insulin levels stay normal when you eat carbs. As inflammation goes down, your body cells actually start to heal. This means they become more and more sensitive to insulin, and that's called reversing insulin resistance. Now, your body can bring your blood sugar back down to normal after eating carbs without needing huge amounts of insulin. You have to remember that you didn't develop high blood sugar like overnight. It took time, and healing it the right way also takes time. So don't expect just one serving of oats to change everything instantly as far as your blood sugar is concerned. But with a steady diet of unprocessed carbs, healing begins and your blood sugar follows. So let's talk about how you can track your insulin resistance status when following a diet rich in whole plant foods to control your blood sugar. Now you have to remember that the regular blood sugar and A1C tests are good at showing you your blood sugar levels. However, they don't explain the entire story behind those numbers in terms of how much insulin and time your body had to use in order to get to that level of blood sugar. You need a test that provides all that information, and that's where the glucose tolerance test comes in. So this test is different because it tells you exactly how much insulin and time your body has to use in order to absorb a certain amount of sugar from your bloodstream. And that's what you need to gauge your insulin resistance. And guess what? The glucose tolerance test clearly shows you that a diet rich in whole plant foods, and this includes unprocessed carbs such as whole grains and starchy vegetables, actually heals insulin resistance over time. Meanwhile, a low-carb diet actually worsens your insulin resistance. Ready to start? Here are 4 steps you can take to use unprocessed carbs to heal your blood sugar. Step 1. You have to eat unprocessed carbs as a main part of your everyday meals, not just to test your blood sugar. Step 2. You have to eat a wide variety of unprocessed carbs to build a strong, diverse, and vibrant gut microbiome. Step 3. Ask your doctor about taking the glucose tolerance test. It's the best way to track your insulin resistance status. Step 4. Comment, do it to heal. And I'll send you a free shopping guide with all the essentials you need to control blood sugar with carbs. Thanks for watching. And remember, always do it to heal.